What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you several very bullish signs from the technical standpoint that we have right now. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here. At this point, when we reached the price point of roughly $20 and had a small pullback, and at this point I've told you that we might have one more tiny leg to the upside in order to complete this internal fifth wave, and fifth wave should have a shape of 5-wave structure, and right here we had only 3 waves out of 5. So as you can see, we have this movement to the upside, and that's why our fifth wave, the top of our fifth wave is right here, and right here we started movement to the downside. And at this point, when I made my previous video, literally I told you not to enter your swing trade position because we were approaching to the very top of the first wave on a slightly bigger scale, and you know that 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is 1 wave on a greater scale, and we were approaching this top, and this means we should have a retracement, and from this point most likely we should go lower, and as you can see, it happened. For now we have probably this is our A wave, this is our B, and we are on the way to form our C wave. So far we have this as our lowest point, but in order to measure the levels, we have to adjust this tool, and I will show you my technical analysis in just several minutes. And for now, congratulations to all of you who didn't take the long position right here because of my call, and probably who entered your short position or sell some calls. Definitely it was very good movement to the downside, and at least I saved you about 12% of your money. Definitely very good result. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you that all of the stocks, basically we are bleeding right now, and all of the indexes are in red. S&P 500 lost about 0.81%, Dow Jones had a bounce and it gained about 0.15%, Nasdaq is deeply in red for 2.35%, and Russell 2000 also lost about 1.56%. I have to say that we don't have much news directly related to Lucid, and some of these news you might find on Lucid Insider Twitter page. It is not the biggest one, but it is quite impressive, I have to say, because Lucid Air just set its new record, and they drove 687.4 miles. Definitely huge number on a single charge, and it is a new record not only among the Lucid vehicles, but for the entire EV industry all over the world. Definitely huge milestone. On top of that, let me show you right here. Here is the photo of Lucid Airs that are ready to be shipped from its Casa Grande plant, and as you can see, let me show you more thoroughly. We don't have any vehicles on this lot, but we have a lot of vehicles right here. And on a bigger picture, we can see that for now they have much more vehicles on this lot that they had previously, and definitely they are increasing its production rates. On top of that, let me show you some new details from institutional investors list. We don't have basically major trend if we will take a look on this list on NP filings and 13F filings. Some companies opened its new position, some companies closed its old position, some companies reduce or increase its current position. But if we will take a look right here on this chart, we can see that more investors buys Lucid share right now, despite this low price. As you can see, black line represents the price of Lucid Air stock, and green bars represent the amount of institutional ownership. And definitely we have slight increases. It's not the biggest, but we have it. and definitely it is a good sign. So let me show you this data right here on linkedin.com website. We are on Lucid Motors page, and as you can see, for now they have 3,676 employees, and previously they had 3,678 employees. So they fired 2 employees, and they have 1,404 job openings, and previously they had 1,372 job openings. So they increased the number of vacancies, but they didn't increase the number of employees. And I have to say it is quite obvious for this type of companies, because all in all, in a bigger picture, they have almost half of new vacancies compared to its current employees rate. Definitely this company is still growing, and they are still opening new vacancies. On top of that, they increased its potential in terms of manufacturing facility. As you can see on bizjournals.com, we have this article, and I don't have basically paid account for this, but right here you can see that Lucid Motors buys 120 acres near existing manufacturing facility in Casa Grande. This means they are still growing, and definitely not only this news shows that this company has a huge potential, because previously on May 18th, and I covered it in my previous video, they disclosed all the details for their new plant, new overseas plant in Saudi Arabia. And definitely from the long-term perspective, this company is very attractive, and that's why let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, we have to adjust this tool, the Fibonacci retracement tool, because we completed all 5-way structure from this bottom to this top. This means we have to pull it from the lowest point to the highest one. And what do we have right here? First of all, as you can see, we had very good reaction of this retracement from the 0.382 range. It is $17.44. We had this reaction and we rolled over, and for now we broke it to the downside, retested from the bottom the same exact range, and moved even lower. This means we might reach the 0.5 level at $16.66, and probably we might reach even golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. And this means you can accumulate your position all the way down from 0.5 to 0.65 levels, and this will give you a very good chance to hit higher targets with your position. But let me show you the bigger picture. If I switch to weekly time frame and if I turn off all the tools, as you can see right here, we have this very bullish candle. It is a hammer candle, and this candle usually shows the trend reversal. And a lot of investors, as you can see, with this huge volume, they see that potentially we might have the trend reversal from this point. And on the retracement right after this candle formed, they will enter their position, and for now we are approaching to the range where it might happen. So what should you do from the investor standpoint? As you can see on a bigger picture, we are at the very low ranges, so most likely we will see much higher price action from the current ranges. And definitely this company fundamentally is very attractive. They have enough money to operate. They have more than $4.5 billion. They have very strong production rates. They have a lot of orders in their order book. Basically, I don't see any issues right now for this company from the fundamental standpoint, especially at these low prices. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.